Your product page is secretly killing your sales right now. Yep, even if you're getting traffic, you're leaving money on the table. But in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to design a product page that sells, step by step, using proven psychology and design tricks for 2025. Don't you swipe, because this could double your sales without spending a single extra dollar on ads. Let's be real, you've worked hard to bring traffic to your store. Maybe you're running ads, maybe you're grinding SEO, but when customers land on your product page, they bounce. No purchase. That's heartbreaking, right? Here's the truth. People don't buy from stores that confuse them, bore them, or don't build trust instantly. And that's exactly why so many e-commerce businesses fail. But the good news, we can fix this today. The first thing your customer sees is the hero section. That means product title, images, price, and buy button. Rule number 1, clarity beats creativity. Don't hide your price, don't use clever names. Just say what the product is and why it matters. Rule number 2, high quality visuals sell. Instead of one static photo, use lifestyle shots, 360 views, or even short demo videos. Rule number 3, the call to action must be visible. That add to cart button should pop. Bold color, large size, no scrolling required. If your hero section doesn't answer, what is this? Why do I need it? How do I buy? In 5 seconds, you've already lost the sale. Next comes trust. No one buys from a sketchy store in 2025. Add real customer reviews with photos. Show trust badges like secure checkout and free returns. And if you have press features or testimonials, showcase them. People trust what other people already trust. The more social proof you stack, the less resistance your customer feels. Now, let's fix your product description. Most stores make 2 mistakes. They write a wall of text that no one reads, or they talk only about features, not benefits. The solution? Write in bullet points. Keep it scannable. Don't just say made of stainless steel. Say rust-proof stainless steel. So your coffee mug lasts for years without losing shine. Benefits sell. Features just describe. Here's the sales trigger most beginners miss. Urgency. Use limited stock notices like only 5 left in stock. Add limited time offers with timers. Add free shipping countdowns like order in the next 2 hours for a free delivery. But don't fake it. Customers can smell BS. Keep it real or it backfires. You did all that work. Don't lose them at checkout. Remove distractions, offer guest checkout, accept multiple payment options like PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, and show a progress bar. Customers love knowing they're almost done. The fewer clicks, the more sales. Simple. So let's recap. Clear hero section, social proof and trust, benefit-driven product descriptions, urgency and scarcity smooth checkout. Fix these today and watch your sales graph go from down to up. If you found even one tip valuable, hit subscribe because every week I drop strategies that can transform your store. Smash that like button so YouTube shows this to more entrepreneurs like you. And share this with a friend who's struggling to make sales. And here's the kicker. In my next video, I'll reveal how iTools can design your product page automatically in minutes. You don't want to miss that. Remember this image? That dull page versus the optimized glowing one? That could be your store in just a few tweaks. So which side do you want to be on? Losing sales or making sales? The choice is yours.